so now, man. Today, man, we got a monkey video. Me and my boy.
No Limit 4K TV, man. Go ahead and subscribe.
No, man. We're going to tell them girls. Rate us from 1 to 10.
1 through 10, man.
I think that's it, huh?
Nah, they should do something, though.
Yeah. Like the video.
Subscribe, of course. And what else?
We're going to lick a little butt.
Oh, no. You tripping. Hit the bell, man.
Hit the lip, right? Me and my boy. She big 18.
Oh, you got ask him first.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Damn, this shit upside down, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, ad time?
Ad time?
Yeah, ad time. Yeah, man.
Flip the camera.
Hey, we got a question for y'all.
Yeah.
We doing a YouTube video. Can you rate me and my boy from 1 to 10?
Rate us 1 through 10.
I don't do that.
Oh, man.
Just because, I don't know, I just feel like...
We ugly? So we ugly.
We gotta be ugly. She don't want to rate us. It ain't nothing.
We ugly?
1 through 10.
No, I never said that.
Oh,
No.
for real?
Baby girl can't pick a number.
That's cool, baby, man. Next person, man. You lame.
Can't be that hard to pick a number.
What?
She big 18 again. Damn.
What's up?
That was good.
Hey, what's
You got
up?
this one.
Nine, where y'all from? I talk to me.
Where you think we're from?
I don't know, man. Hey, add time so I can guess real quick.
Y'all from Atlanta, Georgia?
Nope.
California?
Alaska.
Funny boy.
All right, look, man. Hey, we got a question. Add time. Oh no, we got enough time.
We got enough time.
All right, look. It's for our little YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So rate me and my boy 1 through 10. Me first.
You first?
Yeah.
1 through 10. Okay, I'll give you a 10. Yeah.
Hey, I rock with y'all. What about my boy, man?
Boy, you got them fucking eyes, man.
Oh.
You know you got them eyes in your fucking hair.
Yeah, 10 too.
Hey,
We flex with it.
I rock with y'all.
We
We doing all that cousin, man.
We digging y'all vibe, man.
They be liking the people that act, man.
She's 17. Damn. Where y'all face at? Y'all like to show y'all face? Damn, we have a couple of difficulties, man. You know,
Man, so look,
like we say, just let them get out of
I ain't gonna lie, man. Go ahead and like the video before I get mad.
Oh, wow.
We have to beat y'all up,
like
man.
before I get mad.
We hit hard.
Wait, boy.
You know?
Hey, you ask.
Oh, I got this, man. She big 18, bad man, my jam.
All right, go ask her if she join.
Damn, they ain't vibing with us, man.
Hey, man, y'all get this video 1 million views, man. I'm gonna come out here, boy.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
What's up?
Hey, what's good?
I can't hear you. What's up?
I can't hear you either. Damn, baby girl, we can't hear you.
We gonna just rock with you next year, man.
Yeah, tomorrow or some shit.
You might be on the app next year. Let's see. What's up?
That was good.
I can't hear nobody, man.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Oh, booty.
Hey, got your boy all on the camera. Boy, that's a nigga, man.
Oh, well, yeah, let me see. It's listed at 20%. What's up?
Man, it's good, man. You know, the females can't get no volume.
Huh?
We can't hear you, baby girl. Well, know what you saying. Because I still can't hear you.
Man, time, man. She look cool.
I can't read lips.
Oh, what happened to the time?
Well, it's
I
already
mean,
up, man.
not the time, the volume. Then, baby, we can't hear you, man.
We'll step the screen
I
recording
wonder
so back.
if she get that.
Yeah, she can hear us.
Hey,
Oh,
follow
follow.
back.
We
Whoa,
got you.
whoa,
Yeah.
no.
Hey, go subscribe to our YouTube. Oh, that was good,
I don't
man.
even know she can hear it, but all right, man.
She can hear us, man. I know she can. What's our YouTubes? Oh,
No Limit 4K TV, that's my YouTube, and his YouTube is
my name Poetic Fades. Go ahead, we got you.
on the way to 1 million.
Oh, $1 million.
Oh, she think we can hear. I can't hear you, baby.
Man, stop the screen recording, man.
All right.